All right, so what's going on, guys? Back again with another video, and we got special appearance guest here, one of my boys back in town for the weekend. He's on vacation, and look what we're doing.
We're working on a fucking Honda. We got fucking Scooby-Doo from Blue's Clues that took this fucking thing apart. We're trying to do a fucking Honda.
Yo, check out how this guy ended up taking this shit apart. Look. All right, so you see the head's removed, right? What are you doing? So he ended up trying to take the cam out, a whole bunch of other shit for no fucking reason. So, he had to call the real ones in to come get this shit straightened out.
All the way
Isn't
in
that
from
right?
South Carolina on a fucking VIP flight to fix this hunk of fucking sheep shit.
Yeah. So we're gonna try to get this in within 2 hours. I don't know how long we've been working on it right now, but we're not really automatic specialists. But it's simple enough. Bro, that thing's seized. That thing's seized, dude. It ain't moving.
Dude, fuck me.
We need a wrench to get these 10s out.
We need more than a fucking wrench. You need
Yeah.
a fucking
Well, you
prayer,
need
a
a
Bible, and
wrench
some
and-
Jack fucking Daniels, baby.
Something. We'll make it happen. We'll make it happen. Don't worry about that. Neighbors love this shit. Another one. So to backtrack, me and Vigna working on this simple ass single cam swap, right? Where's the car at?
Not the shop.
Not with the owner. Because now I'm the owner, motherfucker. I mean, maybe he's the owner. I don't know. This car has no owner. But anyway, we're going to get back to it. We were getting the trans and the new engine together. And now the shitty part about the story is that this customer found a matching Y8 that came out of this car, VTEC, this whole nine, same exact engine. Got a warranty from the salvage yard, right? For that VIN on that engine. So what happens next? Vigna tries to connect the trans to the engine, and he tightened one side a little too much, I think. And he broke the block and the trans. Both snapped in half, the casting on both of them. So now we're sitting there like, ooh, what the fuck? So yeah, then it ended up being the customer. Where are you pointing the camera right now? The customer ended up showing up about 10 to 15 after the little mishap, you can call it. And yeah, he seen what happened, and he wasn't like screaming or yelling or anything, but I didn't want to film because I didn't want to be disrespectful, so I didn't. So I just was like, hey man, pretty clean shell you got here. He was like, shell or whatever, I don't know. I said, yo, clean car, would you consider selling it? And he was like, I don't know, because it was like his son's or whatever, something along the lines. I think it was his kid's car, auto, whatever. And he's like, I don't know, I have to talk it over. So the next day, he's like, all right, I'll sell the car. I was like, I'll buy it for whatever you have into it, because I felt bad. And like, we were doing it for a smaller shop that's local to us. So a $3,200 loss would be pretty bad. It wasn't really my fault. You know whose fault it probably was. But we got compensation for everything, and now we're straight, and now we got clean shell. So I don't like lying about numbers, like I said on the channel. So yes, I paid $3,200 for this shell. Talk shit. I had to get myself out of a sitch, okay? So there you have it.
It ain't all bad though.
It's pretty clean. It's a pretty clean shell. I mean, interior's clean. Besides the engine parts area, because I made them throw me all the parts, because you never have enough parts. So the interior's pretty clean. Like, I think you guys in the comments should guess how many miles this car has on it. It's been in Jersey, I think, since it was sold, because in Marlton, that's in New Jersey. So, I mean, like, we got a little paint fade here, but like, other than that, like, quarters, no rust. Get down here. Get down here. Stock rubber moldings on the quarters, okay? I don't see any rust. The car was also on a lift. No rust underneath it. The only rust the car has It's really surface rust stuff like that. So I want you guys to guess in the comments how many miles you think this shell has on it, and then I'll put it in the next video. Back to the vid. Play it. We on? Good? All right. So this was compensation for the damages. Fine.
From Big Nut.
Yeah.
This is the red EK in the last in the house tour that we were concealing, but this is what's going to go in the black EK. So we're going to take the LS P18 B1, throw it in the EK, and then we're going to take some goodies from the EG, which is the turbo manifold and probably what, the blow off valve, not
the turbo kit.
basically
Without
the whole turbo kit without the turbo, because we're going to slap a new one on. And
But we did have to get new mounts if you want to come in here.
yeah, those
because
shits are a little fucked.
These were brand new when he put them in, but I think they're on the cheaper side. So if you look from the top, like, yeah, I think you could see it in the video, that the urethane is sliding out of all of these. You can see it really bad on the rear mount. Like, you see how far it's metal on metal, like back there. So I think he didn't drive the car for the urethane to like seat good enough, or they're probably just super cheap, probably a little both, because he really didn't get like this running all that well.
But
We're having issues.
I got Yanaka mounts coming in either tomorrow or Thursday, and then we could start the actual swap, because we pretty much have everything out of the car on the EK, and all we're waiting on is mounts for us to like start moving shit, because we don't have an engine stand to put this on, so we just gotta do it in one shot.
So we're probably gonna take this out, clean up a bunch of this corrosion while it's out, and then probably strip the valve cover of the paint, and then, you know, repaint that. Little stupid shit, but just make it look like nice. And then, yeah, from this car,
Take a look at the EG.
We're gonna steal the
Manifold.
Yeah, manifold, everything. Downpipe probably, because we'll probably get a turbo that has the same exhaust housing.
Intercooler.
Like the sandwich plate, everything. Like a lot, the whole turbo kit basically. I got another blow off valve. I snagged it off from one of my other cars. And then, yeah, I don't know. Maybe the cam gears. I don't know.
This is getting something completely different, but they don't know about that yet.
Maybe you could even snag the valve cover and just call it quits.
True.
Looks a lot
Yours
better.
is a lot better than
Yeah.
that one. It's just a valve cover, so it don't matter.
Yeah. So I mean,
That's the plan, man.
we got big plans coming for this.
This one has bigger plans.
Coming soon. Coming soon. Within the next couple of videos. The 10th gen's been sitting parked. We chilling. I've been driving the 11th gen to work. We're just gonna race the 10th gen until it blows up. Basically, I don't really care anymore. I mean, what else am I gonna do with the car? Sell it? You think I sell anything? Go ahead. Yeah. No.
See the fucking driveway too?
I also have more cars, just not here.
Yeah, there's another sedan.
Stupid. So yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah.
Alright, dude. Alright, dude. I'll see you when you get here. EK stuff, baby. Alright, 10-4, dude. I'll see you.
See ya.
That man's sleeping on the job, man. We got shit to do. When we have more money, we could like get some cool wheels and like maybe like fix some
cool wheels.
fix some of like
Get some cool wheels.
hell yeah. I mean, look at the fitment in the back. It's already like almost there, dude. Like, I don't need coils. That shit's probably shot.
Nah, dude, we're running stock suspension, stock muffler.
Oh no, it's
Turbo.
gonna be a sleeper. We'll make like, we'll put on 5 pounds and just let it eat.
Yeah,
This
5 to
fucking-
8 pounds for
Just
make
fucking
250 wheel, probably, give or take.
and then just let it fucking bang off limiter all day when it's stock. Maybe get a fucking little dump for the fucking exhaust, so when you fucking roll up on somebody, sound as a motherfucker. They're like, yeah, he ain't fast. I'm about to smoke this stock ass Civic. Open that shit up. Gone. Gone. Motherfucker.
So what we got going on right now is we're stripping the bay pretty much. There's still axle and shit everywhere. We're gonna junk this, we're junking this, we're junking this, we're junking that. I mean, we're gonna strip the bay out. We're gonna take that busted ass wiring harness out of there. Get all this stock air stuff out and shit like that. So yeah, I mean,
Hell yeah, dude.
that's pretty much what we're going to be working on today. I don't know if I'm going to set up a time lapse or anything like that. I have no clue if any of my shit's even charged.
Yeah, we
I'd
should
go
set
check.
up a time lapse. That'd be sick.
Yeah, but like, what are we really going to time lapse?
Well, we could time lapse.
We're just taking shit out of the bay, and we got to move the car up to the driveway because obviously we can't do all this shit back here. We gotta move shit up front into the
We
the
can time lapse
hard
that
ground.
car though,
That car, yeah.
because we still gotta pull the motor and trans.
So I guess I'll just get back to it when we pull out some shit out of here. Bink. All right, so right now, Avon and Chris working on. What are you working on now?
The EK swap.
We're just fucking
We know that. We know that.
Pulling
Taking off all the
everything.
unnecessary stuff.
anything and everything
Right, so-
we see.
So far, we got the AC lines out, AC condenser, all that bullshit, stock
of the
intake box. Well, here's the parts right here. You know what? For reference, evap, AC lines, intake, AC condenser. The washer fluid's probably not staying. We still have to unhook the line from the cruise control on the gas pedal inside. And we're gonna take this harness out of here, and then we're probably gonna power wash it and clean it up. Maybe take the battery tray out so we can get some of that shit out from underneath it. Who knows? Right?
Hell yeah, dude.
All right.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yup.
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass told me she came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip and now she remixing below. She my track queen, let her hit the bando. We be counting up, watch how far them bands go. We just set a goal, talking about your Lambos. 56 a gram, mama, 100 grams though. Man, I swear I love that how she with the Lambo.